PASIR GUDANG. Malaysian police have crippled a drug distribution syndicate and seized 2,060 kilograms of drugs believed to be syabu, or crystal methamphetamine, worth $103.2 million, $34.7 million, local media reported yesterday. The drugs were packed to look like Chinese tea packets. The bust is the biggest drug haul in the history of Malaysian police. The Federal Police's Narcotics Crime Investigation Department Director, Commissioner Muhammad Saleh, was quoted as saying by the Star newspaper. Meanwhile, the authorities in the Philippines have seized around 160 kilograms of methamphetamine valued at more than 1.1 billion pesos, $28 million, from an upscale enclave just south of the capital Manila, where top lawmakers, politicians, celebrities and executives live. 3 Chinese nationals and a Chinese-Filipino interpreter were arrested on Tuesday in separate raids in Ayala Alabang village and at a nearby shopping mall. The drugs were concealed in tea wrappers and biscuit cans, similar to seizures in Malaysia, Thailand and Myanmar. Back in Malaysia, Datuk Seri Muhammad said police have arrested 6 local men, aged between 35 and 45, in 3 separate raids on Tuesday at separate places in Johore's Ulu Tiram district, Taman Desa Semerlang and Taman Pelanginda. Initial investigation showed the drugs were for local and international markets, he told a news conference at District Police Headquarters in PASIR Gudang yesterday. Drugs believed to be syabu, or crystal methamphetamine, seized. They were packed to look like Chinese tea packets. Methamphetamine seized at an upscale enclave just south of the capital Manila. Drugs were concealed in tea wrappers and biscuit cans, similar to seizures in Malaysia, Thailand and Myanmar. The syndicate brings in the drugs via sea routes and makes the country a transit point before they are distributed to the local and foreign markets, he was quoted by Malay Mail Online News as saying. He said the drugs, disguised as guani nuang Chinese tea, were believed to be from the Golden Triangle countries of Cambodia, Myanmar and Thailand. Mr. Mohammed said the syndicate has been around for some time, and that apart from the domestic market, the drugs were also meant for distribution in Indonesia, Singapore, the Philippines, South Korea, Australia, Japan and New Zealand. The 2,060 kilograms of drugs were hidden in a container near a fish pond at an oil palm plantation in Taman Desa Semerlang, he said, as reported by The Star. He said police also seized 7 vehicles, room 6,270 and cash, 3 watches and gold jewelry worth around room 489,000.